All right, in this video, I'm going to show the attract mode that I've just finished with for the game. And first I'll show the animations that were done by the animator. So the first one is the attract mode, which has the character just playing some animations around the train. And it's looped. He's doing some push-ups. Here he throws a fireball and then just balances, and then it just loops. So yeah, this was quite involved. As you can see, it's a pretty long animation. I'll show it in wireframe, and that's what plays when you start the game. And then there's a secondary animation that will get you into the game and actually playing, and I'll show that next. So when you tap the screen, the boss will come in from the air, and you'll be startled and then run away, and the boss will, or the overlord will chase you. So that's a bit of that animation. For this one, the lunge that you see the overlord doing, that was cut because there just isn't enough time in the animation to fit everything in. And when I play it, the boss will be zeroed out, and then I'll actually manually place him at the correct location, and then he'll chase after the player. But I'll handle that in code. And another thing that's animated is the camera. It's on a track. I'll highlight that. That's the camera right there. So if you can see it, it just goes up to the final resting position for the game camera. And for that, I had to modify my plugins so that I could export the camera track. It wasn't that hard, and you can just do that by using my plugin. And I think it's, yeah, camera track, and then you just export it. And then I implemented the animations from the camera track in the game. So I'll show for the next part of this video, I'll show the actual animations implemented in the game so that you can get an idea of how it looks in the game. So that'll be in the next video. Okay, here you can see the attract mode playing that I showed earlier in the Maya file. So it's the same. Of course, the character's different, but she's going through the same motions. So this is what you'll encounter when you first start up the game, as she goes through her little hijinks beside the trains. And it loops. So now I'll call the overlord. You just tap the screen, so he pops up, you get startled, and then you run down the track. So that's how you get into the game. And so that was what I had to show for this video. I wasn't also working on this. I fixed quite a few bugs, and I also optimized the Metal Renderer backend. I started reading some more of the documentation, and I found a few optimizations that I could do so it renders a little quicker than before. But that's what I've been busy with. So I've shown the attract mode, and probably next I'll start on the UI. I've already actually started. I've got the font renderer working, and some of the UI elements, so that's probably what I'll show in the next video. So thanks for watching, and till next time. Bye.